Did you know that the United States of America has more museums than Starbucks and McDonald's combined? Quite a mind-boggling fact, isn't it? Well, brace yourself, because we're about to embark on a riveting journey, unveiling 5 more fascinating facts about the US that may leave you in awe. From the shortest river to the most billionaires, we've got it all covered. So buckle up and let your curiosity take the driver's seat. Now, let's dive into the top 5 most fascinating facts about the United States of America. Starting from number 5, we have the world's shortest river, the Roe River. Nestled in the heart of Montana, this river may be short, but it is mighty. With a length of only about 200 feet, the Roe River is recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records as the shortest river in the world. Now, you might be wondering, why does the length of a river matter? Well, it's not always about size, but about significance. The Roe River is a testament to the diverse landscapes of America, from the vast plains to the towering mountains, and yes, even to the shortest of rivers. It's a reminder that no matter how small, every part of our world has its role to play. Imagine a river so short you could theoretically walk across it in less than a minute. Fascinating, isn't it? So a river doesn't always have to be long to be significant. Next up, at number 4, the US is a paradise for book lovers. With a whopping number of libraries, this country holds the crown for having the most libraries in the world. From cozy community libraries nestled in small towns to grand architectural marvels in bustling cities, you'll find a library at almost every corner. These aren't just buildings full of books, they are institutions that have become an essential part of American culture. They are places where people, regardless of their age, race, or economic status, can come to learn, explore, and dream. They offer free access to knowledge and information, bridging the gap between resources and those who need them. Libraries in America are also community spaces that host events, workshops, and programs, fostering a sense of community and promoting lifelong learning. They are testament to America's commitment to education and enlightenment. Indeed, the US is a haven for those who seek knowledge and adventure in the pages of a book. Moving on to number 3, did you ever wonder how much Americans love pizza? Well, let's dive into that delicious fact right now. Pizza is more than just a beloved dish in the United States. It's virtually a cultural phenomenon. Every second, an average of 61 pizzas are devoured across the country. That's right, 61 pizzas per second. This results in a whopping 3 billion pizzas being consumed each year. To put that into perspective, if we were to stack all these pizzas, it would reach beyond the International Space Station. But it's not just about the love for a cheesy slice. This pizza passion fuels a significant part of the economy too, with an estimated $45 billion spent on pizza annually. From local pizzerias to major chains, the pizza industry creates thousands of jobs and contributes immensely to the economy. Pizza, thus, is not just a dish, but a significant part of American lifestyle. At number 2, we have the state that is home to the most billionaires. Drumroll, please. The Golden State, California, takes the crown. But why does California, of all places, harbor the highest number of billionaires? Well, it's not just the sunny beaches or the Hollywood glamour that reels them in. California is a global hub for technology and innovation, housing the world-renowned Silicon Valley. This tech mecca is the birthplace of countless successful startups and tech giants alike. Add to that the thriving entertainment industry, and you've got a state that's a billionaire magnet. But let's not forget the state's proactive policies encouraging entrepreneurship and fostering economic growth. So, if you dream of becoming a billionaire, California might be your lucky charm. And finally, at number 1, we have the fact that there are 6 American flags on the moon. A true testament to the pioneering spirit of the United States, these flags were planted by astronauts during the Apollo missions from 1969 to 1972. The flags, made of nylon, were a symbol of national pride and human achievement. Today, however, these flags have likely been bleached white by the harsh radiation of the sun, as there's no atmosphere on the moon to provide protection. They stand as silent witnesses to the incredible feats of exploration humans are capable of when we reach for the stars. So the next time you look up at the moon, remember there's a little piece of America up there. And there you have it, 5 of the most fascinating facts about the United States of America. We've journeyed from the world's shortest river through countless libraries, dived into pizza consumption, visited the state with the most billionaires, and even took a trip to the moon. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more fascinating facts and intriguing insights. Until next time.